Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and things are not looking fantastic for Alvin Bragg or Stormy Daniels in the case against Donald Trump. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. And guys, if you're not watching us on YouTube, please check that address in the lower right-hand corner. It's youtube.com/@explainamerica. And if you go there, hit subscribe absolutely free. It really helps us out. You know, the sentencing in that trial, the quote hush money trial for Stormy Daniels, the Alvin Bragg case, it's supposed to be just a few weeks away. To do this right before an election for the presidency of the United States, to me, is absolutely ridiculous. It should not be done. And now one legal mind, a very wise legal mind, is saying he doesn't think it will be done. He says he doesn't see there's a way that it can happen. And I think he's correct. I think you have to, you want to judge these cases on their own merits and in a vacuum, but there's a presidential election going on. The judge in the case knows it. Everybody knows it. It's not a secret. It's not like the president of the PTA is being elected. This is the presidency of the United States. Everybody knows what's going on. And I don't think this judge, even though he doesn't seem to be a big fan of former President Trump, he has given a lot of deference. And I don't see him wanting to put his thumb on the scale this close to an election. I could be totally incorrect. This guy could be totally incorrect. I don't know. It's impossible to predict this. This isn't like politics. This is legal. And that's not my area of expertise. But it is this man's area of expertise. So I want you to listen to what he has to say, and then let me know what you think in the comments.
What about the New York finance case, the sentencing slated for next month? And I know the Trump team was trying to say the Supreme Court decision even affects that. That seems like a bit of a stretch, but I'm not the lawyer. You are. What do you think?
Well, it's not a stretch. It's a real thing, and that's because I think the Manhattan District Attorney's Office was pretty reckless in the way that they presented the trial. I don't think they needed to prove evidence of Trump's official acts, but they not only did, they actually subpoenaed and called to the stand two of his White House staffers, and they knew the Supreme Court was considering this issue, so I think it was kind of reckless on their part to do that. But even Bragg has told Judge Merchan that he doesn't object to a postponement of the sentencing, and it looks to me to be pretty obvious that the sentencing has to be postponed. I don't see how it can go forward on September 18th, because whatever Merchan decides on Trump's new immunity issue based on the Supreme Court's opinion, he gets to appeal that.
Got it. All right. Thanks for updating me on all of the above. Andy McCarthy, so good having you again, my friend.